Hi, this is Sean Hyman from MyWealth.com, and I just want to talk to you about today's blog. I want to talk to you about how to get involved in the Forex market, because this is literally the one recession-proof market. I want to point out that, obviously right now the Dow, NASDAQ, S&P have been hitting fresh lows. So your stock portfolio is probably going down. 401k, stock brokerage accounts, IRAs, etc. Commodities, for those of you involved in commodities, almost every commodity's got beaten black and blue this past year because of a deflationary environment. So as a commodity trader, that's probably likely down for you as well. Real estate, those of you that are real estate investors, investing in REITs through your stock account, any of that type thing, they're likely down too, because everybody knows what's happening in housing, real estate, construction, these sort of things. So you've got some of the biggest factors of wealth creation in the whole United States down right now. So what do? What do you sit there and watch it idly go by? So what can we do here? Let's be proactive. Let me show you how to get started in the Forex market. Why? Because right now you've got the dollar hitting multi-year highs right now. Right now it is. This is not something you got to wait months for or years for. You can be proactive now and get involved in the market while there's trends forming and continuing to get hotter. And there's been a lot of things brewing that's brought about this dollar uptrend that's probably likely to continue. The unemployment situation, as you'll see from my written blog there, has gotten worse and is expected to get even worse. Matter of fact, from the fundamental charts you see there that literally track the employment and unemployment numbers, you'll literally see how devastating it is. That trend is not easily reversed. And so therefore, since this unfortunate thing is happening in our economy, at least we should profit from it, because I can't turn that situation around. It's going to take the government, it's going to take the Fed, it's going to take the Treasury, it's going to take a lot of places and people with a lot of more resources than what I have to turn that situation around. And so since I can't turn that situation around, you and I at least need to be able to profit from it to help prop up these other sides of portfolios that may be suffering, from stocks to real estate, commodities, and that sort of thing. So let's take advantage of these multi-year highs happening in the dollar. Two initial steps you ought to take to get started doing that. The first one is get educated by getting a MyWealth.com Forex account, Forex course rather. You can go to MyWealth.com, click on the Courses tab, and you'll see the FX course there on the far right. Enroll in that for $25. You can get an online course that you can take in your spare time, and then in 8 or 10 days you'll be ramped up and you'll know all the basics of fundamentals, technicals, risk and money management, that sort of thing. Why do I say that's important? Why do we push that and try to get that out to everybody and keep it at such a low rate? Here's why. Imagine if I decided to be a plumber and just went out there and tried to start competing with actual plumbers who have gone through the trade, or a bricklayer, or a lawyer, or a doctor, and just jump right into any one of these professions. I would get eaten alive, because these guys have education and experience on their side that would eat me alive, and I would stand no chance. Yet a lot of people think they can get into trading and investing and become a pro and miraculously start seeing their accounts go up hugely in value without education. It just simply does not happen. It's a myth. And so we know that, being experienced traders, having come through there, having 10, 15, and 20 years experience between us all, and we know how important it is to get educated. Second thing is to go to fxedu.com's website. So fxedu.com, click on Practice Account, download a free real-time demo trading station. It's a practice account that offers real-time quotes, and real-time charts. So you get a real feel there, not a simulation. When I started off in stocks, I did not have that available to me. This is something that you do have in Forex. It doesn't cost you a dime. You can have a free 30-day demo there to actually get to where you are able to play around placing trades so that you can gain experience. So two things you need. You need knowledge through the course, and you need to gain experience through the demo account. And that's a way that you can do it risk-free without risking 1 cent of your own actual money. Then after you're done with that, then you can bookmark the fxedu.com link, because you'll want to go back there in about 30 days, click on that link and sign up for a live account. Fund a micro account with a few $100, $300, $500, $1,000, something like that, something small. Or fund a mini account, with maybe $2,000, $3,000 to $5,000, and get started that way. And start small. Start with one micro lot or one mini lot, and work your way up there. But check into this dollar rally that we have happening. Get the education. Get the demo account opened up, and then later on the live account opened up so that you can do something proactive about your future. Because I hate to see everything happening here. Not only it's bad enough if you were to lose your job, but it's even worse is somebody losing their job and losing their stock portfolio and losing the value in their house and real estate investments and all this, and it all comes crashing down at once. Why not? Let's do something proactive about it. Let's get into something that's going up now, today, so that we can make a change. Thanks so much. This is Sean Hyman again from MyWealth.com.